Good afternoon, everybody, and thanks, Mr. Deepak and other organizers giving me this wonderful opportunity be in front of such a huge experienced and professionals sitting here. So, I am from pharmaceutical industry, and I take the subject relevant to the needful as per the program. So, here is the, I just want to share one of the modern look of the packaging, coordinated packaging system defined comprehensively by a great technocrat. The process of planning, implementing and controlling the coordinated packaging system of preparing goods for safe, secure, efficient and effective handling, transport, distribution, storage, retailing, consumption and recovery, reuse or disposal and related information combined with maximizing consumer value, sales, hence profit, hence acceptability. Acceptability is profit. So, from a simple definition, the definitions are expanding into the big horizons, covering the entire life cycle process instead of a small compartmental benefit. So I thought that I would share this new definition, and everybody has to think, and anybody sitting here, if they can read this, they can make a book. So, what are the emerging needs apart from the basic needs in the contemporary world and in future? Apart from the basic requirements of the fundamentals of packaging, either secondary packaging, whether it is a carton or a corrugated box, the sustainability, environment responsibility, and applicable environment and recycling regulations involving life cycle assessment of secondary packaging. The concept is increasing to the life cycle thinking, even in my formulation development or in packaging or in any of the industry. It has to think from the production to the its reuse or destroyal. So here I would like to add that the new choices by design for shippers, I mean shipper means anything that can be shipped, either it is a corrugated box, a container or pallet, by manufacturers decreasing need of specialized methods of means of transportation. So we have to think the ideas from the manufacturers, because if I take a corrugated box, it is a box with some of aspects of which I am looking as a user. But you are the expert. You have to come and explain me what you are using. It can be improved like this. It can be optimized like this. It can be lessened this like this, because less is beautiful in the modern world. Like we spend lot of money on formulations on refrigerator containers, which is costing 4 times more than an ordinary container. If you can give me some suggestion from secondary or tertiary packaging where I can minimize the reefer containers and I can use an ordinary container and export my formulations to the globe. So from a pharmaceutical packaging perspective, the global requirement of minimized packaging due to logistics, shelf space and recycling cost and environmental protection. Because we received a complaint, just I want to share with you, from Europe. They saying that your blister is too big, you have to make it small. So we were wondered, what is this? Then when we saw the competitors is in a thermoform blister, whereas our product is in a cold form blister, obviously it will be around 2 times bigger than a thermoform blister, and they are telling that your blister is big, we cannot sell this. So that is the concept looking. So we have to understand, I have to ready for that, otherwise my blister will be displaced. So we have to just think of the less packaging, optimizing packaging. And new global regulations of track and trace, serialization from tertiary level, which has been implemented by Indian government and also now other exporting countries. But the DGFT, which has insisted on Indian pharmaceutical manufacturers of this track and trace, unfortunately industry has not seen the merits as usual. We always demerit without understanding the requirements. But when the DGFT has implemented, it is coming soon in the form of European regulation or US standardization or e-California pedigree, whatever you name, Turkey, all these are already, some countries are insisting this. If importing country insists, we are ready to do, but whereas when exporting country, our own country insists, we try to defend and differ. But now the challenge from corrugated industry is that we have to serialization. Already pharmaceutical industry has started serialization of all the boxes that are going outside India, almost from last 1 year. We are putting a labeling and all, but corrugated industry can come by providing the shipper that I can directly print a linear barcode which on transportation will not disintegrate of the grade which it is has to be scanned at all places. You have to come, then I can remove my label. That's a cost addition. So these are the things which I want to share and which are the expectations as a user from the manufacturers. And coming to more important, especially from the corrugated relevance, simplification and standardization of specifications of boxes resulting in decrease of testing time and cost, ensuring safe transportation till use end. I don't know why there should be 15 to 20 tests which is not required. The box specification should have only 3 specifications, that is dimensions, my bursting strength required and the compression strength. Again, you can ask whenever, especially from a pharmaceutical or even any consumer product, you should ask for what is the gross weight of the box which you are intend to do. So if I say it is 5 kgs and asking a 18 kg bursting strength, you can advise us. You are simply wasting. So this kind of interaction should come in between user and the manufacturer, because I always respect that you are the better scientist on the material or the product which you are supplying rather than as a user. And what is the expectations of the efficiency which we are looking? Manufacturers have to expand their scope from compliance with customer specification to logistical, marketing and environmental function. Just don't see that a piece of paper I am giving as a specification and try to meet, sometimes manipulate. So we have to move from that perspective. We have to really understand, and you should give me a specification to me with a science and sense, and I have to accept it. So I request that we should shift our this thing. All the development is happening in the world. I think that from a negative attitude to a positive attitude. Nothing but economy, buildings, roads, or population. No. The development is from a negative attitude to a positive attitude. A respect towards others, a compliment towards others. So now we come to understand the role of packaging along the supply chain and enable the stakeholders of the retail supply chain to agree upon a proper, efficient and effective packaging solution and enhance communication and information sharing. This is the expectation, that the role of packaging we have to also understand from the logistics point of view, because logistics is costly, then sometimes the logistics is costing more than a product and package. So we have to look from the packaging technologist as well as the material suppliers should also think from this point perspective, and we have to minimize and optimize the packaging, which should be convenient at all places, which also should give the information. All the basic fundamentals we have to meet. So with this, anything we can discuss on the panel discussion. Thank you for your patience.